Ladies and gentlemen, K-Kim here. Welcome to the Daily Update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is pretty much flat here on the S&P. I do have an announcement today before I get into this presentation. So starting July, just for the month of July. So, obviously, not just, actually, I will finish the video this week. So starting, the July 5th, but July 5th, Monday, market is closed, for the Independence Day. So pretty much July 5th, July 6th, there will be no videos entire month of July. And market has been very lethargic. And it's just been grinding pretty much. We're not seeing big moves to the upside. We're not seeing big down moves to the upside. If we do see anything, it's usually just 2-3% up there and then grind. So I don't think there is a whole lot. And also my family's, they're visiting Minnesota for the month of July from, Texas and New York. And so I want to spend as much as time I can, I can spend with them throughout the month of July, and also I'll be taking a trip in mid-July also. So I think it'll be okay. I think it would be nice to have that kind of break entire month of July. Again, I'll finish out this week though. Starting next week, there will be. Obviously, I'll tweet things out though. I'll try to tweet things out. At least once a day, and if I have time, I will do a video, but, probably no video, but I think there'll be some days I'll have enough time to do a quick video for you guys, but let's just assume that there will be no video, and let's take a break. And this is only for the YouTube videos. Obviously, if you're a client, if you're a member here at Traders Club, same schedule. With the regular videos and things like that. And also keep in mind the special invitation, June special, it's going to be expiring on the 5th of July. So that's next Monday, because Monday's market close. You can take advantage of that. After that, I'll be closing out the enrollment process. Probably not until the December. And so anyway, so let's talk about the market here. So NASDAQ is up a little more. Semiconductor continues to lead the market. I like to see that. Dow pretty much flat. Small caps down 0.5%. Same with the banks. Energy same. Transport flat. Biotech up a little bit. Pharmaceuticals down today. Emerging market flat. Grayscale, Bitcoin last 3 trading days. Finding some tractions there. I think it was up 7% and then was 5%. Today 6%, right? We got gold, silver miners. They continue to struggle here, down 1%. All those guys. Dollar popped a little. Same with the oil. Treasury bond flat. VIX popped a little with the today's market climate. Let's stick with the 65-minute chart spider here. So we initially gapped up today, it looks like, right? That was a gap up, and the first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, and pretty much all day it's been declining. Filled the gap, and then that's the fifth hour. Came down to the micro-term pivot there, and we're just kind of hanging around at the market is very much boring here. I mean, again, as I go through my multitude of positions, I can see some stocks are making a huge move, and a lot of the stocks just doing nothing. Some stocks are coming down. I've noticed a couple stocks been seeing corrections this year, this entire year. I think like SkyWest was down this entire year. Was another one I forgot, and there are a couple other ones were just seeing that kind of a heavier correction, like 30%, 40%, 50%. So even in this kind of a chop lethargic market, there's always opportunity that you can accumulate certain stocks as long as you're looking at things in a long-term process. You know what I mean? You're not looking to just get in a day trade or anything like that. So I think there's always value that you can look for, and that's kind of what I've been emphasizing last couple of months, because the market has been so lethargic and it's been so difficult to find that short-term swing trading opportunities in this market, right? So anyway, so there isn't a whole lot to talk about. I got my short-term moving average hanging around at 426. At this point, and so that if we do lose this micro term, that's a level you want to kind of look at as a next support. We got 425, which is a gap area. That's the next level support. So I think this entire vicinity there, 427, 425, will be the level to look at should there be any kind of a correction in the short to micro term. Looks like potential little flagging action. Who knows? I mean, we've been kind of doing this, stair stepping here, and then we got this pennant pattern there. We got this flagging pattern here. So maybe this is another flagging pattern, but you guys know that I don't really put too much emphasis on those because it can break either direction. So, but what I do emphasize on is let's stick with the trend. Let's continue to give benefit of the doubt to the buyers. So let's check out that oscillator and see if we can grab or extract any more information. So we have potentially a bearish divergence here, but it looks like we might see another chop fest here because you can see we saw that downturn and we made a swift move, and then all of a sudden we got that bearish divergence and market didn't go anywhere for the entire week or so, a week or two, and then we had that swift move, we had that decline with a swift bullish run, and then looks like we got that bearish divergence here. You saw that little whipsawing action because I did tweet things out earlier today, which it looked like we had that cross with the gap up. With the gap up, we didn't have to hold up we didn't have to hold that gap, like the gap wasn't sustained. That's why we saw that little whipsawing action there. And oh my god, do we want to see another forever whipsawing stage where this market just kept doing this for days and weeks? It was very, very lethargic, and it just made things pretty hectic, right? Because we didn't see a big swing of things. And I just remember, and this is why I think is in the summer months, especially this year, after we made a huge move last year, it's great to look at the market first 10 minutes or so, after 2 hours of market opening, and then just close your computer or tablet or cell phone or laptop and just go out and enjoy the day, and then come back towards the end of the day and just check out the end of the day price. It's not worth sitting there and just wasting your time. It's like, waiting for the paint to dry is even worse, just the way market has been. And so, so let's see how this gonna play out. This bearish divergence that we're seeing right now, that could put some pressure into the market with some micro-term volatility. Again, I think there's a good chance we could see that short-term moving average getting retested at 426.24 tomorrow. And you can see how last time when we did see that bearish divergence, that short-term has been there for entire week. So we could see something like this remainder week here, which we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we got 3 more days. Yeah, I won't be surprised to see this thing kind of keep doing that entire next remainder week. Again, no videos in July, entire month of July. But again, I'm gonna finish the week this week. But if I have time, I'll do a video. If I see some nice, movement, upside or downside, I'll do a video. But let's just assume that there will be no video in July after this week. But I'll tweet things out at least once a day, or at least I'll try. And so with that, my special invitation is gonna be until the July 5th, right? So market is closed on July 5th. And so on Monday, so that's when my enrollment is gonna be closing, and it won't open back up until December. So you can kind of watch what this is all about. I put out the market bubble special report for my members. You can go and check that out. Other than that, you guys enjoy the rest of this evening, and good luck trading tomorrow.